Hello everyone, Hatem from Objection, back again with the news as we always promised. Today I'm going to talk about the Ninebot Z10. After 2 years riding this Ninebot, I'm going to tell you the issues and the conclusion for should you buy it or no, if you are adapting about should you buy it or Inmotion and like this. Let's put this huge baby down because he's covering the view and he's too heavy, and continue talking.
Few moments later.
Guys, I was need to take a shower to fresh myself. I ride this Ninebot Z10 for almost 2 years now. I'm gonna give you a conclusion about this Ninebot. Should you buy it or no? The answer is no. Because with the same money, you can buy King Song that have monetization by air. It's amazing. I tried. You have here, you can rent it 1 hour to try. Not rent, it's like leave your ID to try it, So I left my ID and I tried. Honestly, it's beast. And you have the #1 in the world, the best monowheel at all, the Inmotion V10F. It's something overpowered. It's not like any other monowheel that you try. Now I'm gonna tell you what I didn't like about Ninebot Z10. What I didn't like about Ninebot Z10, first of all, that it's heavy. This fat tire is not help you to lean right and left, especially in speed. In low speed, sure you can. In middle speed and high speed, impossible that you can lean with him right and left. This is impossible. And this is not helpful. This is not helpful if I have situation. When you ride, you may have a lot of situations in high speed. #2, about the point that I talked about before, the lines in the road, the crack lines in the road. Listen to me. Our roads in Ukraine here is one of the most trash roads in the world. We have not a little bit of road in the nice road, no. We have little bit nice road in the all off-road, okay? So we have off-road, listen, in normal off-road that down holes and like this, it's okay. But when you meet, there is line in the beton, in the ground, lines cracked deep. If your wheel go inside these lines, you will lean right, you will lean left. You can fall down so easy, and you can count your teeth in ground. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 teeth. Nice. I have 2 teeth left. Good. Guys, you have to be so careful when you have like these lines. We don't have lines like this. When your wheel will fall in this line, it will go like this, go like this. I didn't face this in Inmotion V11 when I was having it. I didn't face this in Inmotion V8 or Ninebot Mini E Plus or any one of them. Only this Z10. I faced this problem. I thought that fat tire, it will be beast in off-road, lines, cracks, whatever, even volcano. But to be honest with you guys, it's not. It's completely sucks. You know why? Because they create this fat tire like this. You shouldn't. You should create it as much as square can be. So it will not have this line, this when you go in lines and crack and between, so will lean rift on it. Guys, it's so dangerous. You don't have any background about how dangerous it is. I face it many times, and nice that I could control myself. Many times I fall in lines. I lean by stupid way. Even people, they think that I'm not professional rider, but this is the Ninebot is like this way. The issue #3, and this is so much annoying. In winter, air out from tire faster than in summer. Listen, in summer, air stay in the tire, but in winter, air always out. Filling air in this Ninebot Z10, this is headache. Guys, I screw my nails, my skin from here, scar to cut. They make it by so stupid way, this stupid company. You open the cover, you put the stab, there is no way to put your hand and tighten it. So what you do, you put air bumper and you start to roll the air bumper. You start to roll, air out a little bit, you hold, okay? Then it's hold. After you full air 1 hour and you're tired and your biceps start to become like the size from fulling air. Now how are you gonna do? You need to roll it back fast, that air will out, that you without this spike, okay? This tool that they give you. There is no way that you can hold and do it like this because air will out, because the air bumper holding air. So the only way that you can do is rolling air bumper. I roll air bumper and all air that I full is out. I full air maybe 3 or 4 times and they start, you son of a, fuck this day when I buy this. I wake up, I beat him by my leg. Guys, it's tireful, headache as hell. to full air in this stupid Ninebot Z10. Now the reason number 4 that you should not buy this Ninebot Z10 at all, the holder. Guys, what is this garbage? You have to know, no one take care of this Ninebot like me, more than my son. I don't have son actually, but he's more than my son. Guys, I clean him every time, I take care of him. You know this holder, guys, from every time when you put out him and back him, put out and back him, he start even bending each. He start appear white, and he start to be heavy. Not hold. He's not go anymore easy. You have to press so hard to back him to the normal position. And I use spray for slippering, sneezing. Not work. After 1-2 times, start again itch. What the hell is that? You know, guys, I never drop him, I never anything, honestly. Okay, the reason number 5, the pedallion. Stupid pedallion as hell. Guys, like this size. My feet is 45 size, and the pedallion like this. My leg always out. It's not comfortable. You know, guys, when it's raining a little bit or slippery or something, my feet always slipper from these pedallions. They make for you this paper material that is, you know, like this one for itching metal. I forget her name. What's her name? This paper that she itch metal. You know, it's the same one. They put it for you and little bits gum in the middle. This is not holding anything. Guys, this is so stupid to create something like this. How shame in Ninebot. To be honest with you, but the pedals in Inmotion V10F that I was have like this. Also pedals for V11 like this side, and gum, all of it gum. You know, put your feet, forget it. Forget it. To be honest with you guys, by all ways, this Ninebot Z10 is failure monowheel. I mean, when I buy it almost $2,350, including delivery from China. This is before this fake COVID-19 and like this. And it's expensive, almost the price for, better I buy BMW 520 2003 with this money, I swear. Full of issues, but I don't want to buy, I have car, but I like to ride monowheel for fun and for, you know, economic more sometimes. I want to just go to supermarket far away by 2 kilo. Why I have to turn on car, go, benzene, spend, and find where to park it and like this. This is just fast, you know. To be honest with you guys, I advise you. And Inmotion not my father company, Ninebot is not my mom company, King Song is not my brother's company. Stay away from this failure Z10. If you want to buy as number 1, if you have money, V11. As number 2, to be honest with you, I like it so much. The King Song, I forget his name, to be honest with you. He have 2 multi-position. He looks like bike, you know, he's sexy. S18, I don't know, the latest King Song that they let me try it. I forget his name. Anyway, this one honestly also is beast. I tried, actually it wasn't off-road, I tried in KYIV. In KYIV, front of shop, it was nice road, so there is no way. I just tried like this, go on back, and I give them thanks, take money, give me my ID, buy. But the second monowheel, as after V11, is King Song. Then I can give it to V10F to be on motion, sure. It's nice also. Ninebot Z10, this is, I don't want to give it. Even this one, what's his name? One wheel or one, I don't know. It's still better than this Z10. This Z10F, this Ninebot Z10, this is failure. That you should not even spend or waste your money or time with him, even with that $5. Garbage as hell. You know, guys, I used you. You know, guys, I let you use in my videos the honesty. I'm honest guy. I don't compliment any company in this world. I don't care. This is not my father company. This is not pay me money that I will cover them. If something nice, I will say nice. If something garbage, I will say garbage. Easy come, easy go, easy jump and be show. So guys, this was my true opinion. Please don't take it personally, because also Ninebot is not your father company. I'm just advising you, I should take the advice. You understand or no? Mr. P. And we'll see you in another video. Please don't forget to subscribe and put thumbs up if you like the video. And peace and love and money for every one of you.